Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Pratiksha and you're watching my channel Karubaki. Before I say anything else guys, I want to wish all of you a very happy new year, and I hope that this new year brings all the happiness and prosperity to all of you. Now coming back to this video, you guys already know that I'm making a series where I'm sharing with all of you some Warli painting ideas on ready-made cotton blouse, and even in this video I'm going to do the same. I'm going to share with all of you yet another Warli painting idea on a ready-made cotton blouse, and I really hope that you are going to like this video. If you do, then you know what to do. Just hit the like button and share your feedbacks with me in my comment section below. I would love to know how you felt about it. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it and also hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel, you can get the notification of that video at the earliest. So now, without any further ado, let's just begin with our video. So this is the cotton ready-made blouse on which I'm going to paint, and before I start I'm going to put this hard cardboard in between the cloth so that my paint doesn't get soaked on the other side of the cloth. And I'm going to use my nail paint brush here, and for the paint I'm going to use Acrylic Gold color, and this is easily available on Amazon. And I'm using my nail paint brush because I've said this earlier as well that these brushes are super sleek, so it's really helpful when you want to paint those very sleek areas. That is why I'm using this brush, and I'm going to use this particular brush for the entire painting. And here I'm going to do a Warli painting for the entire blouse. So it is going to be a very simple painting, but trust me, once the painting gets over, it's going to look super gorgeous. I can assure you that. So yeah, just keep watching the entire video. So my painting is now almost done, and now it's time for the sleeves. And for the sleeves I'm just going to paint some random Warli dancing figures, and that is all I'm going to do. So yeah, then my entire painting will be done. And here is the final product. I mean, just have a look. Isn't it looking so gorgeous? I'm absolutely loving the final product, and just look at it. The entire blouse has completely transformed, isn't it? Just give it a try yourself, guys. I'm sure even you are going to like it once you give it a try yourself. So yeah, I hope you've liked this video. So that was the video, guys. I really hope that you liked this video, because I think the blouse has completely transformed. I mean, it is looking so gorgeous, right? I am loving it, and I really hope that you are too. So if you do, then let me know by hitting the like button, and share your feedbacks with me in my comment section below. I would love to know how you felt about this video. If you have any feedback, suggestions, questions, anything related to this video or any other videos on my channel, then feel free to ask them to me in my comment section as well. I would love to help you guys. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it, and also hit the bell icon and press the all option, so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel, you can get the notification of that new video at the earliest. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay creative.